Hello guys! Another week and another Tradingview strategy which were adopted specifically for you, converted it into the alerts, and you can freely apply it to Wunderbit trading platform. So this week we were concentrating on the MTF Stochastic strategy made by Freeman. The whole idea, which we really liked, is that it used several time frames. However, if the current time frame is 30 minutes, the MTF is set to automatically be calculated at 60 minutes. And for us, it's a problem because it taken the larger time frame to calculate what's supposed to happen on a 30-minute time frame. So-called repainting will be occurring. So that's why we changed it, and MTF would be calculated on a lower time frame. So if you're trading on a 30-minute one, the MTF will be calculated on the 15 minutes time frame. At the same time, the backtest showed quite a nice results, and we were able to achieve something very similar, however with larger volatility in comparison to the original script. We also added separate inputs for the long and short positions, and we were able to convert this into the alerts so you can easily apply it to Wunderbit trading platform. So let's look at our results. This is exactly what we were able to get at the 30-minute time frame on FTX exchange. And this time it's vital that this strategy is applied to FTX because it's using trailing stops. As usual, we input the commission of FTX into our backtest results to make it more accurate. At the same time, you can see that the trailing stop is set to 1.3%, both in long and short positions. And this is a benefit because you would be able to set a single bot with the same stop loss at 5% and the same trailing stops at 1.3 and 1.3 for both long and short positions. However, for your convenience, if you would like to see how they work separately, you can set up two different bots, one only for long conditions, another one only for short condition. As usual, we added the backtest dates, so you can test it on a monthly or yearly basis as you like. And obviously all the inputs are represented in the comments below as well, so you would be able to use our settings or try your own setup to make this strategy even more profitable. That was it for this week. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and smash the like button if you really like the content and you would like us to carry on. Best of luck with your trading.